my best friend. Didn't care about the rules.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this super easy daytime glam eye look. I think it's actually a really soft eye look, but because I kind of smudged out the lash line, it gives it that really sultry, smoky effect, even though it's quite soft. And I'm using this palette right here, which is by Morphe, and it's the 9A palette. It's like a tiny palette. As you can see, it has a lot of neutrals. And the reason why I'm using this palette is because I received this giant box from Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic is an online shop, and this is their advent calendar. So this is meant for Christmas. You buy this, and then every day you can open one of these boxes, and there's like a surprise inside. Okay, wait a second. This stuff is heavy, guys. So what I was saying, I wanted to do a makeup look using the makeup products which are in this box. But I do have to say, like, there are mainly skincare products in here. I think around 7 products are makeup, and the rest of them is all skincare, hair products, like a lot of cool stuff. It retails for $99, which I know sounds like a lot, and it is a lot, but I know there's like one product in here which is $90, and there's one which is $50. Like, it's a really good deal when you see like all the products that are in here. So that's kind of the reason why I wanted to do a video, because I can imagine that there are maybe like a lot of people that would think this is absolutely incredible, but maybe they don't know that it exists. So I wanted to do a makeup look, and this is the eye look that I created today using some of the products which are in the box. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you like all the products which are inside the box. So if you're curious like all what is inside here, then keep on watching, and I think we're just gonna dive right into the video. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. I'm gonna use the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm gonna apply this all over the eyelids. The brush that I'm using is a Sigma Beauty P84 brush, which is basically like a tiny kabuki brush, like the ones that you use to apply your foundations, and this is like a really tiny one. This one is also really nice to apply concealer underneath the eyes. I've used to use this brush for that, but now I only use it for applying the eyeshadow primer. Now I'm gonna open up the first drawer, which is number 1, and inside there's this palette from Morphe brushes, which is the 9A palette. So I wanted to use this palette for today, and the first color I'm going in with is called Myself. This is like a light neutral kind of brown shade, really nice to use as a transition shade for the crease. So the brush that I'm using is a Morphe M504 brush, and then I switched to a tinier one, which is the Sigma Beauty E40 brush. And I'm just gonna blend it all over in the crease. I'm going back and forth from the inner corner to the outer corner just to warm up the whole crease. So now I'm opening drawer number 4, and there were 2 brushes in here from the brand Luxie. There's like a really tiny blending brush, and there's also a tiny smudge brush, which is nice because I really like brushes like this. So now I'm going in with the like tiny blending brush, which is this one, and I'm gonna go in with the color Witness. And since this is like a tinier blending brush, I'm gonna focus like straight in the crease. This will give more of a precise blending, instead of if you would use like a really big fluffy brush, it wouldn't be as precise as with this brush. Then I'm taking this color as well, just to darken it up a little bit more, focusing at the outer V as well. And this is gonna create a sort of darkness and shadow kind of effect around the crease area. Then I'm taking my finger, and I'm going to use this golden shade. This shade had a lot of pigmentation. I was really impressed by how nice this eyeshadow is. I think you can kind of compare it with the Makeupgeek foiled eyeshadows, which are one of my favorites. I feel like the texture was kind of the same. Then I'm opening drawer number 13, and inside there's this eyeshadow pencil, which I'm going to use to apply above the lash line. It's from the brand Lord & Berry. Never knew anything about this brand. This is the first time trying something. I think the pencil was nice. It was just like a nice creamy pencil, so I just used it to create like a simple line all the way above the lash line. And then after this, I'm gonna like smudge it out to create like a smudge liner effect. So for this, I'm going in with the smudge brush, which is this one right here, and it's called the mini round brush. And I'm going in with the color Storm, which is a matte black color. I'm just gonna smudge it right on top of the black pencil and a little bit right above it. This is gonna create that smudgy effect, which I'm lately really into. I actually have a lot of videos which I'm posting lately, which have like a smudge liner. I just really like how it looks. And then I'm going in with the color Splendid, and I'm gonna go back in with the bigger blending brush, which comes in the, I think it was draw number 4. And I'm gonna blend that above the lash line as well, because I felt like using only the black, it kind of looked kind of too smoky. So I want to smudge out the edges using this color Splendid, and I'm just gonna continue blending it back and forth. And then with whatever is left on my brush, I also blend it a little bit like into the crease area. Then now for the waterline, I'm gonna take the color Vibes, which is a pencil by Morphe. If you want to only use like products from the Advent calendar, I could have also went in with the black pencil, but I wanted to use this one instead. Then now I'm taking the smudge pencil again, I mean like the smudge pencil brush, and using this color to blend out the lower lash line. And then I went in with the color Aware with the tiny blending brush, and I'm gonna blend this all the way underneath the lower lash line to make everything look nice and blended out. So I'm just smudging like back and forth. Then now again with whatever's left of my brush, blending a little bit in the outer V and also towards the middle part of the crease to make it a little bit darker over there. Then now I'm opening draw number 20, and this has a mascara inside from the brand Ico. And this is actually a really nice mascara. It was the first time trying it out, but I absolutely loved how it made my lower lashes look like. This is the type of mascara which doesn't look clumpy at all. It's quite of a like thin consistency, and I really like that for the lower lashes because I don't like those like really clumpy spider looking lashes, and I think this made them look really good. Of course, I'm going in with some fake eyelashes. I'm gonna use my Anytude puffy lashes, which I think are the first time I use these on my channel, but these are like my go-to lashes for if I want to be like really quick. They are just really natural and easy to apply. Then now I'm opening this box in number 24, and there was a Sleek palette, which is a highlighter palette, and I'm gonna use this shade and I'm gonna pop that in the inner corner of the eye. I just really love a little bit of glow in the inner corner. I always feel like that makes the eye look complete. And then here you have the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed this eye look where I play with the products which are in this advent calendar. I really enjoyed doing this video. If you guys want me to do more of these videos, let me know. I have a few more advent calendars in my room, so if you guys are interested, just let me know. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! And then here, for those who are really curious, here are all the products which were inside the advent calendar. There were actually a few products which I used off camera, which I really like and which I will be using in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fire.